Hey YouTube, what's up? It's about 3 in the morning. Just got this poster about the 4th I got it. Doing an update. I'm gonna get a frame for it. It is 24 by 36, I believe. It's another addition to my room, my horror collection. There will be more posters. I appreciate your guys' support. Thanks for like almost 100 views on my first video. I hope to become a big YouTuber, or a medium YouTuber, but thanks guys. This was just a quick update. There will be a new update probably by the 16th or the 10th. But yeah guys, see you later. Thanks for enjoying my content. Bye.